Question number 1 to 16. Choose the correct meaning of the idioms and phrase given in italic. His boorish manners occasionally set his refined cousin's teeth on edge. Answer: irritated. It is difficult to trust a man who plays fast and loose. Answer: says one thing and does another. The dispute over the land came to a head this week. Answer: reach a crisis. She knows the language after a fashion. Answer: to a certain degree. Prohibition is gall and wormwood to the distillers. Answer: hateful. He is by long odds the greatest living magician. Answer: very far. He turns even his errors to account. Answer: profits by them. The soldiers were true to their salt. Answer: faithful to their employers. His plan was nipped in the bud. Answer: made it fail before it could mature. Go fly a kite. Answer: go and incur. The young man made ducks and drakes of his inheritance. Answer: squandered. When the discussions came to financial matters, I felt like a fish out of water. Answer: one out of his element. When I entered the house, everything was at 6 and 7s. Answer: in this order. This unexpected new difficulty put me in my kettle. Answer: arouse me to do my best. They say that the banker is on his last legs. Answer: the verge of ruin. Some people convert to Christianity for loaves and fishes. Answer: material benefits. Question number 24 to 31. Identify the correct form of prepositions from the alternative given under each sentence. He took ages dash the job. Answer: it. The writer is evidently enamored dash the subject. Answer of. He has retired dash private life. Answer into. The teacher impressed dash as the value of discipline. Answer on. And the police is entrusted dash the enforcement of law and order. Answer with. And the operation was accompanied dash little or no pain. Answer with. I am not concerned dash his affairs. Answer about. His parents are naturally concerned dash his safety. Answer for. Question number 32 to 37. Identify the parts of speech of its underlined words. You know well enough what I mean. Answer adverb. There is much sense in what he says. Answer adjective. Her sobs could be heard in the still of night. Answer noun. The moral law is above the civil law. Answer preposition. He was beaten at his own game. Answer adjective. The town itself is not very large. Answer pronoun. Question number 38 to 43. Use the correct verb form to fill in the blanks. If she dash hard, she would have passed. Answer had work. The train dash before we reach the station. Answer will have left. You dash when I entered the room. Answer were sleeping. We dash ready-made garments abroad. Answer export. My sister dash treatment these days. Answer is taking. My brother never dash a lie. Answer tells. Question number 44 to 48. Analyze the sentence and choose the answer from the given options. Nothing can describe the confusion of thoughts which I felt when I sank into the water. Answer: complex sentence. The house reared and the rider was torn off. Answer: compound sentence. He not only robbed the poor child but also murdered her. Answer: compound sentence. The postman looked very tired at the end of the day. Answer: simple sentence. The news that the enemy landed spread like wildfire. Answer: complex sentence. Question number 49 to 54. Pick the correct clause of the words underlined in the given sentence. When the sun set, he returned home. Adverb clause of time. He met a girl whose eyes were blue. Answer: adjective clause. That you have come pleases me. Answer: noun clause. He drew the sword that he might defend himself. Answer: adverb clause of purpose. He was very pleased that you have passed. Answer: adverb clause of reason. He is the boy who broke the window. Answer: adjective clause. Question number 55 to 59. Identify the correct notion expressed by each of the following sentences by choosing one of the alternatives given. That razor is sharper than this one. Answer: comparative. There is no fool like an old fool. Answer: negative. No other democracy in the world is as large as India. Answer: positive. It is useless to offer bread to a man who is dying of thirst. Answer: affirmative. I care very little what he says about me. Answer: assertive. Question number 60 to 68. Choose the word which best fills the blanks from the following options. The criminal seems to have acted in dash with 3 others. Answer: collusion. He knew everything better than anybody, and it was an affront to his vanity that you should disagree with him. Answer: overstrung. Soft-minded individuals are to embrace all kinds of superstition. Heavy question ahi chuan in dikber omlawani. As a last he has appealed to the principal. Answer: resort. He is extremely he would believe anything you tell him. Answer: gullible. The other judge gave his nod of Answer: dissent. The point you are raising is not to the subject. Answer: pertinent. The truth had been into them. Answer: drummed. Question number 68 to 75. Identify the most suitable meaning of the underlined words in the following sentence. Exercise is benevolent to good health. Answer: beneficent. The bullet struck a wall and was diverted from the course. Answer: deflected. Man has a strong desire to collect wealth. Answer: accumulate. With her childish innocence, she won the hearts of everyone present here. Answer: childlike. It is interesting to correspond to the history of the 19th century with its literature. Answer: correlate. We have received many anomalous letters from his issue. Timing is important in finance, especially if you want to make a profit. Answer: critical. The enemy had a reputation for engaging in sneak attacks, so we were frequently on the alert. Answer: constantly.